Today I'm going to show you my version of my favorite Vietnamese noodle salad with grilled chicken and pork. I hope you'll enjoy this. For the grilled pork and chicken, you need 250 grams of pork shoulder sliced thinly, 250 grams of boneless chicken sliced thinly, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce or use hoisin sauce, 1/4 cup of minced lemongrass or tanglad, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1 tablespoon of crushed garlic, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon fish sauce, 2 tablespoons sugar, 1 tablespoon honey or light corn syrup, 2 tablespoons oil. The dressing for the noodle salad: 1/2 cup warm water, 1/4 cup fish sauce or patis, 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar or regular cane vinegar, 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice, 5 to 6 tablespoons of white or brown sugar, 3 cloves of minced garlic, 1 to 2 pieces of small chilies chopped, optional if you want a spicy noodle salad. You need rice noodles or what we call bihon, and lemon, carrots, cucumber, cabbage, romaine, cilantro or yansuy, mint, basil leaves, bean sprouts. You can use any 3 or 4 of these vegetables. This is your chicken, this is the pork. You can also marinate it separately, alright? And this is the lemongrass. You can also use beef, you can also use shrimp. But today I'm using pork and chicken. Alright, and then we have garlic, sugar, soy sauce, fish sauce, oyster sauce, honey. If you don't have honey, you can use light corn syrup. Oil, and white or black pepper. You mix this together and you marinate. We will marinate this for at least 20 minutes. See? You will see once the mixture dries up, it means that the meat has absorbed the marinade. Alright? To make the dressing, you have here warm water. Warm water so it's easy for you to dissolve the sugar. And then we have vinegar, lemon juice, fish sauce, chilies, and garlic. You stir until sugar is dissolved, and we will use this as a dressing. Pork. And I'll do chicken on this side. You may not include the skin, but I like the skin, so I included the skin. I have many recipes to share with you. If you're interested, please like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you can be alerted when a new video is uploaded. Here is our plate, our noodle plate. I have here the cooked bihon or the cooked rice vermicelli. And then we have basil, carrots, yansuy, bean sprouts, cucumber, mint, and lemon slices. And then we put you can drizzle the dressing over the noodles. And then you arrange the meat on top. You have chicken and pork, or you can use all pork. It depends on your preference. And then we drizzle some more dressing. And you can serve the extra dressing on the side. Here is your Vietnamese noodle salad with grilled chicken and pork.